Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Mr. Bryce, and I'm with Susquehanna Valley High School here in Conklin, New York. We're doing lesson 10. I renumbered the pages. We're on pages 33 to 34. We're in Common Core Algebra 2, the non-regent section. If you don't like what I'm saying or are confused, you can always scan that QR code, and the writer of the worksheets will explain everything to you. And while we're at it, we're doing logs and some really nice logs. Yes, that's a nice and delicious log, but we're not going to be touching that one today. So let's talk about some rules. The logarithms have properties just like the exponents do, and they're important to learn because they allow us to solve a variety of problems. We can manipulate them using these exponent and log laws. Don't break the law. Okay, I'm going to focus on the log laws. So if you notice, this doesn't say log b times the log base b of y times the log base b of y. We are multiplying the numbers inside the parentheses. Okay, that's the only way that works, when we multiply the numbers inside the parentheses. Multiply inside is when this rule works. Got it? So what happens is you just can add the value of the logs together. That's really handy. Now here, when you're dividing, we're dividing inside the parentheses. We're dividing inside the parentheses. So it's the log of the numerator minus the log of the denominator. Okay, very similar to the fact that we are subtracting them, but I don't want to get you confused. I hate that. I hate that because you're not having the log, you know, on the numerator and denominator. Not that. No, bad. Don't do that. The rule is inside the parentheses. Now, the power rule. This is the one that we've already been using. You bring the exponent in front. That's very powerful. I'm so funny. Okay, so those are the three rules. Got them? Why am I bringing up that shade? So you can't see the notes when I ask the question. Oh, you're so mean, Mr. Bryce. That's why you write them down. Which of the following is equal to log base 3, 9 to the x, 9x? So let's take a look. Looks like we're using the product rule here. So it's log base 3 of 9 plus log base 3 of x. Oh, that's not over there, is it? Well, let's see. What is that? Log base 3 of 9 equals monster. So the base is the base. The answer is the exponent. 3 to the monster equals 9. Base is the base. The base of the log base 3. The base is 3 monster. Okay, so now we know that 3 to the monster equals 3 squared. Where'd you get that 3 squared from? 9 is the same as 3 squared. We can drop the bases, say that monster is 2. So now I'm back up here. Log base 3 of 9 is the same as writing 2 from right there, plus log base 3 of x. Looks like it's choice 3. If you are lost, listen to it again. Ask me. That's why I'm here. Ask a friend. That's why they're there. The expression log inside parentheses x squared divided by 1,000 can be written in what form? Remember, that's a base 10. So we're going to use our division rule. Log base 10 of x squared minus log base 10 of 1,000. That isn't any of our answers. Let's use the product rule, the exponent rule. Sorry, log base 10 of x. So we have 2 log base 10 of x. We just use this rule right here. If you don't know these rules, put them on your index card for your reference table when you're taking your next test. And then it's minus log base 10 of 1,000. That's not here either. What is log base 10 of 1,000? I'm going to move that up a little bit. I need a little bit more room. So log base 10 of 1,000 equals x. The base is our new base. That base 10, log base 10, is our new base for an exponential equation, and the answer is the exponent. So 10 to the x equals 1,000. Let me see. This is 10 cubed equals 10 to the x. We have a common base, or we could use the exponent rule. X is 3. So 2 log base 10 of x minus 3. Choice number 1. If a equals log 3 and b equals log of 2, they're all base 10, then which of the following expressions have a value of log of 12? We got to figure out what log of 12 is. Okay. What? Oh, I know how to do this. So we have to use our rules. Is 12 a perfect square, perfect cube, anything like that? No, not at all. What we really want to do, every time we see a question like this, we want to write what 12 is. 12 is 2 times 2 times 3. You can do a factor tree of 12. 2 times 2 is 4, times 3 is 12. And what do I mean by factor tree? Let me see, you don't do 1 times 12, but 12 is even, so it's 2 times 6, and 6 is 2 times 3. So we have 2 times 2 times 3. That's what 12 is. Now, we're taking the log of 12. So we write log in front of it. Now we have our little product rule over here. And what are we doing when we're multiplying them? Everything inside the parentheses, we add. Log of x plus log of y plus log of z. So here, we're going to have log of 2 plus log of 2 plus log of 3, log of 2, log of 2, log of 3. Don't get confused. This isn't the distributive property. This is one of the log properties. So it says up here, log of 3 is a. So everywhere I see log of 3, I just write an a. Says up here, log of 2 equals b. So that's a b, and that's a b. So I have b plus a. Not there. Let me see. B plus b is 2b plus a. Not there. Oh, you can commute addition. So that equals a plus 2b. There it is. I know that's a lot to swallow. I suggest you watch it again. Which of the following is equivalent to log base 2 of all of that? Now, I'm wondering why they have log base 2 there when I don't have anything squared here. Oh, wait. Square root. That sounds like square. Square root. Yeah, that sounds like square. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take log base 2 of x minus log base 2 of y to the fifth. That's not any of our choices. Notice I did not put the square root around the word log. Can't do that. I know this one's going to be out. Now, let's take a look at that. That is something raised to the 1/2. Log base 2 of x to the 1/2 minus, while I'm at it, I might as well bring the 5 in front using the exponent rule. 5 log base 2 of y. Is that one of our choices? No, but we're getting a lot closer. We could have brought the 1/2 in front there. 1/2 log base 2 of x minus 5 log base 2 of y. There we go. This is going to end the first part of the video of page 33. The next part, I'll just call it part B. Okay, so if you have any questions, make sure you ask me in class, ask me after school, ask your friends. Just make sure you ask if you're confused. See you later.